Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. In the past, I've talked about how to spot fake Amazon reviews when you're looking at items on Amazon, or maybe after the fact, after you get something and you get a card like this, which looks a little bit dodgy if they're offering a free gift in return for contacting them. So I just wanted to break down how I sometimes check out to see if a product is loaded with fake reviews if I can't really tell just by looking at them. And I often use these online services. The one that I like is called FakeSpot, to search for the vendor and to see how FakeSpot, it uses some sort of analysis engine to look at reviews and other product details to determine if it's fake. So indeed, this particular product that I ordered from Amazon a couple years back, a iPhone tripod, if you look at the tripods that they have on this service called FakeSpot, you can see that it has a review grade of D, and they talk about why. Our engine has analyzed and discovered that 43% of the reviews are reliable. So that means the other 57% maybe are not so reliable. And it says our engine has profiled the reviewer pattern and has determined that there is high deception involved. So they're able to use their technology to spot things that we can't. I've also looked at other products by this particular company. And for instance, these gloves, it has an A review. So hopefully they've cleaned up their game. But in the past, they've had some problems there. So FakeSpot, by the way, you can't. It's harder to use the URL engine. You just basically pasted a URL into this website and it spit it back. But Amazon stopped them from doing that. So it says this analysis is outdated. They currently have apps for your phone as well as browser extensions that can kind of automatically flag them for you. And there's other services that do the same thing. They're basically using some sort of computational system to analyze whether or not something is reliable or not. So this one got a good review. Our engine has discovered that over 90% high quality reviews are present. So this looks legitimate, but the same company a couple of years back was selling stuff that looked like it was manipulated. And certainly that was my experience when I purchased this particular product. I was very disappointed to get this card because it was assigned to me that, first of all, they were heading off negative reviews by telling them to contact customer service right away, and then insinuating that a free gift could be had by doing so. So that's my take on services to use to identify fake reviews. If you can't kind of do it on your own, it's too hard to see what looks fake and you're not really quite sure, just use one of these automated services and it makes the job easy. This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guide. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.